King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey babes, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be making a Shego inspired lip gloss from Kim Possible, bringing back the 90s 2000s era. But yes, I'm so excited to make this gloss. It's going to come out so beautiful. But as you can see, I have two bowls here and they both contain 5 ounces of gloss base. So I'm going to start by adding the Obrilo sour apple flavoring to both of the two bowls. I'm going to add this black shimmer powder to the left bowl for the black portion of the gloss. And then we're going to take this green shimmer color in the shade Sage and add it to the second gloss base bowl. Go ahead and mix those mica powders in their bowl separately, and remember, everything that I use in today's video will be in the description so that you guys can easily access every single thing that has been used in this video and purchase it if you want to create this gloss. So to make the black more solid, I'm going to add some of this black lip liquid that I got from TKP Trading, which will be linked in the description below. I'm going to add this to our black just so that it can be more of a solid color. A close-up look on the black portion of our gloss today. As you can see, it is nice and shimmery, so it's a shimmery black, which I think is perfect for this gloss. So yes, it's definitely giving Shego so far. Next, I'm going to add 1 drop of white to our green base to make that also a solid color as well. You don't want to have one solid color and then one shimmer color because it won't look right. So both of the colors need to be solid. But yes, add 1 drop of white. And here's an up-close personal view of the green portion of the lip gloss. This is also a nice shimmer tint to it as well. So I'm really loving the way that this is coming out. Now that the gloss bases are ready, we're going to take our 20 milliliter syringe and start to fill the tubes. So what you want to do is basically go back and forth from each of the bowls to get that swirl effect. Just pull a little bit of the gloss base into the syringe, going back and forth, and then once you squeeze it into the tube, that's how you get the perfect squeeze tube effect. Well, not squeeze to effect. I meant swirl effect. Now go ahead and squeeze in your tube and look how the magic happens. Like, this is so gorgeous. I'm definitely making this next year for Halloween, but I hope that you guys are loving this video so far. It is perfect for Halloween. If you want to make this gloss, please, I recommend that you do. It's so beautiful and it's definitely giving Shego, period. Okay, Kim Possible. understand. I'm really happy with the way that this gloss came out. I feel like it's so different and unique, and I just think it's perfect for this holiday season. Like, perfect for Halloween, perfect for spooky season. It's just so pretty. Like, it's just giving festive. Like, and I'm just proud of myself because I was running out of ideas for y'all, and then I came up with this one. So I thought that this was super cool, and I'm loving that. I actually really love the outcome of it, and I hope you guys do too. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add the stoppers and the tops to these squeeze tubes. I know that you guys love lip swatches, so here I am applying the gloss to my lips right now. For watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are enjoying your spooky season so far. I hope you're going to the pumpkin patch and going to the haunted houses and just living your best life. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring.